my biggest areas to improve on is maintaining momentum, keeping the bike running, keeping the throttle on. I don't really want to get rid of all the trees that are down because they pose a good challenge. They'll help me to work the throttle a little bit more. Okay, I want to go down here and to the left. That. Very good. And we're stock free. Like, not that it's a problem or anything, but say if I were to figure out how to finesse my throttle a little bit more, then I could switch into third more. Or maybe from third to second, and then if I can stay in that third gear for longer, more of the course, then that means I can be quicker, still maintain some torque. But right now I feel like I rarely use third, like I'm working with second a lot, which is fine. I'm enjoying it regardless, but what do you guys think? Is that an area that most enduro riders try to work on? I've heard third is a good gear to be in for a lot of trail riding, but if you have some experience, maybe you can comment on what gearing you think you would use in that kind of terrain. Even though it's quad trails and wide, I feel like I gotta kind of be really decisive the whole way through.